In this video, I will be teaching you how to turn on dark mode on Snapchat. If this is the first time you're coming to my channel, endeavor to click on the red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel, as this is very helpful and it will help you get more of my content like this. So all what you do is you head straight to Snapchat. You click on Snapchat on your mobile phone, regardless the device you're using, being it an Android phone or an iPhone, it doesn't matter. You click on your Snapchat app. So when it opens, it brings you here. All what you do is you click on your profile icon on the top left hand side of your screen. You click on it. So once you click on it, you see a gear icon, a settings icon at the top right hand side of your screen as well. So you click on it. So once you click on it, it brings you here. So you see my account. So all what you do is you scroll down to the last button under my account, which says app appearance. So you click on the app appearance, and under the app appearance, you see three options, which is match system, always light, and always dark. So since you're planning to convert your Snapchat into dark mode, all what you do is you click on always dark, and boom, you can see it has converted to dark mode. So once you've done that, you can now go back to your Snapchat, and this effect should have started working now. So that is it all about converting your Snapchat into a dark mode. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel before you leave.